Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this awesome gift that I received from AIRELAX. This is their 4-inch self-inflating mattress pad. It is amazing. I cannot recommend it anymore. It's so cool. Like I said, it is self-inflating. So what you do is you roll it out, you untwist the caps, and it just rises itself. If you want it to rise a little faster, you have the option of blowing like some air into it with your mouth. It's honestly not necessary. One super awesome thing that I love about this is that it can fit in a tent. It is queen size, so this is an awesome size to fit me and my husband. It's also nice enough that you could put in the back of a car, which is awesome. I have a small SUV and it fits nicely in there as well. So I really recommend this. I love the color of it. I love the texture. I love the foam. It's great. It's great for camping, takes up way less space, so what more could you ask for? Definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.